1 tablespoon cooking oil. A 1/4 cup multicolor vermicelli. Roast on low flame for 3 minutes. 2 cups milk. Cook on low flame for 6 to 7 minutes. 5 tablespoons sugar. Cook until sugar dissolves. A 1/2 cup milk and 1 tablespoon custard powder. Mix well. Stir continuously until thick. Add prepared custard. A 1/2 cup fresh cream. Mix well. A 1/2 cup banana slices. A 1/2 cup grapes. A 1/2 cup apple chopped. A 1/3 cup pomegranate. 2 tablespoons almond chopped. 4 biscuits chopped. Mix well.